What's the point of messing with Ethereum model exactly when the Ethereum Foundation revived its structure to a more current type of the Ethereum Association to kill the attack and return 50 million worth of taken Ether, a social event of free clients, chose rather to remain with the old mainnet. They changed its name from ETH to etc. and Ethereum Excellent was imagined among advanced cash sweethearts. There is a large part of the time warm talk about whether Bitcoin BTC or Bitcoin Cash BCH is the most grounded asset in light of everything Ethereum and Ethereum Excellent are something similar. By continuing to run the primary Ethereum code, the clients didn't just keep a current crypto anyway, essentially made another. Thusly etc. is ordinarily portrayed as a fork of Ethereum regardless of the way that it really starts before it. Key differences among Ethereum and Ethereum Excellent purposes and will continue to use a proof of work estimation. How the Ethereum 20 update of course will see the Ethereum network change to a proof of stake estimation pose in a POW structure. Computerized money diggers need to settle complex circumstances using their laptops to affirm trades and add them to the blockchain. This cycle requires tremendous proportions of energy, adding to Ethereum's dumbfounding power use in a POS system. In any case, clients can just stake their computerized money as assurance to affirm their trades comparatively as the amount of Bitcoin tokens is limited. Ethereum model takes care of the hard and fast number of etc. tokens that can enter stream. A restriction of 230 million etc. tokens can anytime exist regardless. There is an unlimited supply of ETH. Who is behind Ethereum? Commendable as a decentralized endeavor. Various gatherings work on Ethereum. Praiseworthy's new development. There is no one individual or get-together behind Ethereum. Commendable. Today somewhere near 14 particular gatherings are working on Ethereum. Praiseworthy changes to Ethereum model are ruled for through the Ethereum praiseworthy improvement suggestion process. Past gatherings included IAC data result Hong Kong, which is constrained by Charles Hoskinson, the coordinator behind Cardano. What is Ethereum Excellent required for, with everything taken into account? How unequivocally does the Ethereum commendable blockchain work like the better-known Ethereum? Ethereum praiseworthy is more overpowered by its nearby cache, the Ether. The basic differentiation to review is that while Ethereum's Ether is recorded on computerized cash exchanges under the name ETH, Ethereum Excellence Ether is recorded as etc. This holds dealers and monetary supporters back from getting frustrated between the two. In the two cases, Ether tokens are made as an award for checking, meaning Ethereum commendable is and will remain a proof of work. Cryptographic cache is a splendid understanding stage. Numerous dApps and various organizations can be founded on top of Ethereum commendable, including NFTs, non-fungible tokens, games, wallets, and exchanges, to give a few models who usages. Ethereum commendable. Ethereum praiseworthy has commonly some place in the scope of 15,000 and 40,000 regular unique clients according to various sources. By and large there are about 94 million etc. addresses. Regardless, do observe that some etc. holders will have more than one area. There are also 16,341 etc. tends to on the Binance chain. Specific assessment of Ethereum Excellence etc. worth turns of events since Ethereum commendable was made. By forking the Ethereum blockchain etc. didn't have an ICO market cap at first. Began following the expense of Ethereum Excellent on the 25th of July 2016, trading at 0.6024 on this comparable day. Ethereum Excellent similarly shown up at its unparalleled low of 0.4524. Ethereum Excellent started 2021 at 57,043, hit an immaculate high of 17,616 on the 6th of May. And completed the year at 3412. Its 52-week low is 1085. Ethereum model etc. worth conjecture 2022 to 2030 as a somewhat long endeavor. It projects that Ethereum Excellent could perform very well according to its assumptions. The value of the etc. token could climb to 63 by the completion of 2022, rising to 90 in 2023. and achieving a mean expense of 250 by 2025. Our Ethereum praiseworthy worth estimates rely upon the going with key elements and what they could quite or antagonistically mean for etc. in the accompanying 8 years. As you would expect, Ethereum commendable participates in a not truly sound conflict with its better known cousin Ethereum. Couple of specialists have recognized an example that proposes the result of Ethereum praiseworthy. At times relates to the display of Ethereum in spite of the way that whether this example is more sure than negative is regularly questionable, since both cryptos have been founded on practically identical designing. The advancement of one can augment monetary sponsor conviction. This is because it consoles people that the key advancement and extraordinary laying out bunch are performing perfect. In any case, it's not for the most part elevating news. There is still to this date a degree of public confusion incorporating the differentiations among Ethereum and Ethereum model. This is sensible given the way that the name Ethereum commendable is incredibly misleading and could reasonably suggest either crypto. This disorder limits public care, conceivably organizing thought away from etc. and towards ETH, as natural market are normally associated with cost. Less thought suggests lower revenue, and in this manner a lower cost climbs to advanced cash stages are commonly eagerly anticipated by the monetary benefactor neighborhood. The Emerald Wallet upgrade for Ethereum excellent was no unique case planned to address the shortfall of a normal framework for creators to make dApps on Ethereum commendable, a shortfall of UI parts and standard practices for untouchable specialists as demonstrated by Ethereum praiseworthy. This upgrade occurred close to the completion of 2019. The expense of Ethereum praiseworthy took off in mid-2020 after the update was conveyed. Taking into account everything, Ethereum commendable can be a fair transient endeavor, 1 year or long stretch hypothesis 5 to 10 years. Here are our etc. cost measures for 2022 to 2030 Ethereum model etc. worth conjecture 2022 chipping away at its image. In 2022 more dealers will feel more specific placing assets into etc. A bullish streak will take Ethereum excellent to a typical of some place in the scope of 5500 and 6500. In 2022, as per our Ethereum classy cost assumption for 2022, it is projected that the coin performs so well that the expense will reach as much as 52 in June 2022 before the year's finished. It is guessed that etc. token can climb to 63.44. The base expense for the completion of 2022 should be 12.20. While the normal expense will be 77.43. Ethereum model etc. worth gauge 2023 with Ethereum continuing with its development to confirmation of work in 2023. Ethereum praiseworthy will be ready to locally accessible dApps that would prefer not to carry out the improvement. Accepting things should additionally foster how we expect the base expense of Ethereum model in 2023 could be 30.56. Furthermore, reliable improvement in the underlying a half-year